Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Here, in Fiverr, the buyer telling me that here I have a course that is much easier. So first time I will show you. Uh, where is it? I'm showing you that okay in earning show you it's $93 here and $93 earning. So by that way, I go to the dashboard, and then there is this buyer. Okay, it's a Spanish buyer showing you. It's from Spain here. From Spain, the buyer Jumbo Blanchard. Here is it. Already I created order. Here is a order for the buyer. So here the buyer told me that here I have a course that is much easier. The course is called TU Premier Million. That's a Spanish course. There are only 39 videos to record, which are much shorter, and they would need to be organized into their corresponding folders. As I will show you in the video, let me know if you are interested and send me the offer again. Though I already completed works and jobs, and again the buyer telling me to I am interested or not. Here is the video he sent me already. Here is the video. There is 39 videos. That's the course, especially in Spanish course. Here, 39 of 39 lessons completed. Here is the lessons, and I have to edit and record that videos and that activities file and folders, and I have to submit that. That's the course, specially, and I have to do it. So that's the offer. So I have to offer her and send her offer, especially that's offer. And for the reasons, you have to from here you can copy and then create custom offer. Okay, and then select which gig you want to submit. There is no bindings. If you click here, just click here and select send payment, and then you can write that course what the buyer want. Here is the course is called here, and there are only 39 views which is much order, and we need to be organized in the corresponding folders. So here you can write whatever you need as only uh, just the videos. Okay, no need files, and you have to write here over here, and then you have to select the days, how many days you want to, 15, 16, 17, as well as you, and the offer you can select here, like 50 or like 100. Okay, first the offer 100. Okay, $100 in 80 days. So you have to order it, and no need there, and everything is okay. Everything is just send. Okay, I already make a custom offer for the reasons I declared that. Here is my custom offer. I show you. Here is the offer. Okay, here is the only in 5. Okay, so this is very easy and simple. Whenever you can work in a day, minute, 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, that's easy, and you can complete it in 80 days. No bindings, no working in every night. It's a very simple and easy process. Okay, thank you for watching. And you, if you get help from that, how we can make a custom offer or send an offer to the buyer, like that way you can send any kinds of